Minasan konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Today we will learn the 10th hiragana row wa and wo and the final standalone n letter. The first hiragana wa. Wa. Example word watashi. Watashi meaning I or me. Example sentence Watashi wa gakusei desu. Watashi wa gakusei desu. I am a student. Watashi wa gakusei desu. The next hiragana wo. Pronounced o, used as a object particle. This hiragana is mainly used as a particle. Now let's see a simple sentence. Ringo o tabimasu. Ringo o tabimasu. I eat an apple. Another example. Hon o yomimasu. Hon o yomimasu. I read a book. The last hiragana is n. N. It is a singular consonant is also typically included at the end of this row as the final character of the basic hiragana set. Example word tenki. Tenki meaning weather. Tenki. Example sentence Tenki ga ii desu. Tenki ga ii desu. The weather is nice. Tenki ga ii desu. We have now learned all 46 hiragana characters from A to N. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Matane.